Hey, what's up everybody, it's MKBHD here, and we've got some big news from the world of tech. Amazon is shutting down its Android App Store. Yep, you heard that right. The place where you've been downloading apps, maybe even snagging some deals on games. It's going away. This is a pretty big deal, especially if you're someone who's been rocking an Amazon Fire tablet or just liked having another option besides Google Play. Now before you freak out, let's break down exactly what this means for you. Whether you're a die-hard Amazon App Store user or just curious about what's going on, stick around and we'll unpack all the important details. We'll talk about the timeline, the reasons behind this decision, and most importantly what you need to do to prepare. So let's dive in. I know, change can be a pain. But trust me, we're gonna make sure you're ready for this. We'll cover everything from what happens to your Amazon coins, that's important, to how developers are handling this shift. So whether you're watching this on your phone, tablet, or even your smart fridge, you know who you are. Hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. Alright folks, let's talk timing. Amazon is shutting down the App Store in phases and you need to know these dates. First up, February 20th, 2025, is when things start to change with Amazon coins. After that date, you won't be able to buy any more coins. If you've got some stashed away, don't worry, you can still use them until the App Store shuts down. Speaking of the shutdown, mark your calendars for August 20th, 2025. That's the day the Amazon App Store officially closes its virtual doors. This means no more downloading apps or games from there. So, you've got a little bit of time to prepare, but not forever. Think of it like this. February 20th is like the last call for Amazon coins, and August 20th is when the party's really over. Now, let's talk about those Amazon coins. If you're like me, you probably have some digital currency tucked away somewhere, maybe from a deal or a promotion. What happens to them? The good news is that you won't lose your coins. You can still use them to buy apps, games, and in-app purchases until August 20th, 2025. After that, any remaining coins will be automatically converted into your Amazon account balance. So, you can use them to buy other stuff on Amazon, which isn't so bad. Think of it like this. Your coins are turning into regular money, not a bad trade-off, right? Section 4. Why is Amazon pulling the plug? So, why is Amazon shutting down its App Store in the first place? I mean, it seemed like they were doing okay, right? Well, the truth is, the Amazon App Store was never as popular as Google Play. It just didn't have the same reach. Plus, running an app store costs money. A lot of money. Amazon's probably decided to focus on other things that are more profitable, like their Fire devices and of course their massive online store. It makes sense from a business perspective. Look, I'm not saying it's a bad move for Amazon. Business is business, right? But it does mean some changes for us users and for developers. Section 5. Developers feel the pinch navigating the transition. Speaking of developers, this shutdown is a big deal for them. They've spent time and resources creating apps for the Amazon App Store, and now they have to figure out what's next. The good news is that Amazon is giving them some guidance. They're encouraging developers to move their apps to other app stores, like Google Play. And of course, they can still develop for Amazon's Fire devices, which have their own app store. It's a transition for sure. But hey, developers are used to adapting to new platforms and technologies. They'll figure it out. Section 6. Users, don't panic. Your guide to the App Store shutdown. Okay users, here's what you need to do. First, use up those Amazon coins. Remember, you've got until August 20th, 2025. Second, if you have any favorite apps from the Amazon App Store, see if they're available on other app stores like Google Play. You might need to download them again. Finally, start getting familiar with other app stores. There are plenty of options out there, so explore and find one that you like. It's a good reminder that we've got choices when it comes to our tech. Don't be afraid to try something new. Section 7. Looking ahead, Amazon's shifting sands and your digital future. So, there you have it. The Amazon App Store is riding off into the sunset. It's the end of an era, but it's not the end of the world. Amazon is shifting its focus to other areas, and that's okay. As users, we've got to roll with the punches and embrace the change. There are other app stores out there, and we can still enjoy our favorite apps and games. Plus, who knows what cool new tech Amazon will come up with next. That's the beauty of technology, right? It's always evolving, and we get to be a part of that evolution.